Hello, I want to share with you an important concept about how the universe interacts with us when we aim to change our reality. Often, before your desires manifest, you may face what feels like obstacles or setbacks. These moments are not random, they are purposeful. The universe is essentially asking, are you truly ready for what you want? These are what many call universal tests. Their purpose is to prepare you, strengthen your resolve, and ensure you are aligned with the life you're seeking to create. Universal tests are not designed to discourage you. Instead, they serve to help you grow and become the version of yourself capable of sustaining and appreciating the change you desire. By understanding these tests, you can move through them with clarity rather than frustration. In this video, we will explore what these tests mean, why they happen, and how to respond to them in a way that supports your progress. Challenges are an inevitable part of the process when you're trying to change your reality. They often arise because your current beliefs, habits, or patterns are not yet aligned with the life you are trying to manifest. These challenges are not there to punish you. They are there to highlight what needs to shift within you. Every test brings an opportunity to grow and expand. For instance, when you face a situation that triggers doubt or fear, it is a signal that these emotions need to be addressed and transformed. The universe is asking you to show your commitment to your desires even when the path seems unclear. If you respond to these challenges with a sense of trust and determination, you'll notice that they begin to dissipate and you feel stronger in the process. It's important to recognize that these challenges are temporary. They exist to help you let go of limiting beliefs and adopt a mindset that matches the life you're creating. Once you understand this, you can face these moments with confidence, knowing that they are part of a greater process working in your favor. Universal tests often show up in patterns. You might notice similar situations or emotions arising repeatedly. This is not a coincidence. It's the universe bringing your attention to specific areas of your life that need resolution before your desires can materialize. For example, if you repeatedly encounter situations that test your patience, it may be a sign that developing patience is key to aligning with your goals. Recognizing these patterns allows you to respond with intention instead of reacting out of frustration. This awareness is essential because the way you handle these moments directly impacts the speed and ease with which your desires manifest. Each pattern you encounter is like a checkpoint. It asks you to pause, reflect, and make necessary adjustments. By identifying these tests for what they are, you can approach them with a sense of purpose, knowing that each one is bringing you closer to the life you want to live. When universal tests arise, staying calm under pressure becomes essential. These moments often push your emotional boundaries, but they are not meant to overwhelm you. Instead, they serve as an opportunity to strengthen your inner stability and maintain focus on what you truly want. The universe uses these tests to gauge whether you are capable of handling the reality you are asking for. Calmness comes from understanding that these situations are temporary and purposeful. Reacting impulsively or with negativity only delays the process of alignment. By practicing mindfulness, you can learn to observe your emotions without letting them control your actions. Techniques like deep breathing or affirming positive beliefs can help you center yourself during moments of doubt or difficulty. Maintaining this composure not only keeps you aligned with your goals, but also reinforces your readiness to receive the changes you seek. Remaining calm does not mean ignoring what you feel. Acknowledge your emotions, but do not allow them to dominate your actions. When you choose to stay balanced and focused, you demonstrate that you are aligned with the reality you desire, even in the face of challenges. This shows the universe that you are ready to move forward. Faith and trust are the foundation for navigating universal tests effectively. Without them, it becomes easy to fall into doubt or give up entirely when things seem difficult. The universe tests your ability to trust the process by creating situations where the outcome is not immediately visible. These moments challenge you to hold on to your belief even when there is no external proof. Trusting the process means believing that everything is unfolding in your favor, even when the path is unclear. It requires you to maintain your focus on your desired outcome without allowing fear or frustration to derail you. This unwavering belief creates a strong alignment with what you want, signaling to the universe that you are committed to receiving it. Faith is not passive, it is a choice you make every day. Each time you trust that things will work out, you are reinforcing your connection to the reality you are creating. The more consistent you are in this trust, the smoother the process becomes. Even when progress seems slow, maintaining faith ensures that you are steadily moving toward the changes you desire. Letting go of old patterns is a critical part of aligning with the reality you desire. Universal tests often highlight behaviors, habits, or beliefs that no longer serve you. These patterns can create resistance, making it harder for new opportunities to come into your life. Recognizing and releasing these outdated tendencies is necessary for progress. Letting go starts with self-awareness. Pay attention to recurring thoughts or actions that seem to hold you back. These may include doubts, fears, or habits that contradict the reality you want to create. Releasing them allows you to make space for new possibilities that align with your goals. This process may feel uncomfortable at first, but it is essential for moving forward. By choosing to release what no longer serves you, you allow yourself to grow into a version of yourself that matches the life you are manifesting. This process is not about forcing change, but about allowing space for change to happen naturally. When you stop clinging to the familiar, even when it feels safe, you create an energetic shift. This shift signals to the universe that you are ready to step into a new reality, one free from the limitations of your past. It is important to recognize the signs that you are being tested. These tests often come in subtle ways, making it easy to overlook their purpose. Common signs include recurrent challenges, emotional triggers, or situations that require patience and trust. These are not coincidences, but clear indicators that the universe is prompting you to grow and align with your desires. When you experience repeated difficulties, take a moment to reflect on what they might be teaching you. These challenges often point to areas where change is needed. For example, you might find yourself in situations that test your resilience or commitment. These experiences are designed to strengthen you and help you overcome the resistance within. Another sign of testing is the feeling of being pushed out of your comfort zone. This can manifest as opportunities or situations that feel unfamiliar or challenging. These moments are not meant to discourage you, but to prepare you for the reality you want. By identifying these signs and responding with awareness, you can approach each test as a step toward achieving your goals. When faced with universal tests, how you respond is what determines your progress. These tests are designed to measure your commitment to the reality you desire. The key to passing them lies in maintaining focus, staying consistent with positive actions, and not allowing temporary challenges to distract you from your ultimate goal. To pass these tests, it is essential to approach them with clarity. Instead of reacting impulsively, take a moment to assess what the situation is trying to teach you. Focus on the bigger picture and remind yourself of the outcome you are working toward. By staying grounded in your vision and responding with calm determination, you align yourself with the changes you seek. Consistency is another important factor. Small, deliberate actions that reflect your goals signal to the universe that you are serious about manifesting your desires. Even when the results are not immediate, remaining committed to these actions shows your readiness to move forward. Each test you overcome strengthens your alignment with the life you are creating. As you pass these tests, you will begin to notice subtle changes in your reality. These shifts often start small, like feeling more aligned with your intentions or noticing opportunities that support your goals. These are signs that the universe is responding to your efforts and that you are on the right path. During this transition phase, it is important to remain consistent in your thoughts and actions. The progress you experience is a reflection of the inner work you have done and the tests you have passed. Avoid letting doubt creep in during this phase, as it can slow your progress. Trust that the changes you observe, no matter how small, are leading to larger shifts. This stage also requires patience. The transition is not always immediate, but it is a necessary part of aligning with your desired reality. By staying committed to your vision and continuing to respond positively to any challenges, you ensure that these shifts grow stronger, leading you closer to the outcome you desire. While we go through universal tests, it is important to remember that these challenges are not meant to stop you. They are purposeful and serve as markers of progress. The universe is not working against you, it is guiding you to become the version of yourself that is prepared to receive the reality you desire. Every test offers a chance to grow, refine your focus, and deepen your commitment to your goals. By understanding that these moments are part of a larger process, you can approach them with confidence rather than frustration. Recognizing the purpose behind each challenge helps you to stay motivated and consistent, knowing that each step brings you closer to your desired outcome. While you continue on this path, staying aligned with your vision is critical. The tests you face are temporary, but the results of passing them have lasting impacts. To maintain alignment, keep focusing on your goals and trust in the process. Consistency in your thoughts and actions ensures that you remain on track. It is also important to cultivate patience. Change takes time, and the shifts you are creating are building a solid foundation for the future you desire. Trust that the progress you are making, even if it feels gradual, is leading to meaningful outcomes. By staying committed and focused, you reinforce your connection to the reality you are working to manifest. Through this process, the universe responds to your efforts. Each moment of clarity and each step you take toward your goals strengthens the alignment between your inner beliefs and the external reality you seek. Trust in this process and continue to move forward with determination.